Everyone, and welcome back. It's time for another Stock Lock Sunday, and this time we're looking at this lock right here. It's a Titan Euro profile cylinder padlock, and this was sent to me by Sas Pes. I can't read anything on the back, so if you want to translate, have at it. But anyway, pretty decent lock. It's a similar style as the smaller one that I did not too long ago. So let's see if I can get this out of the package. Yeah. Okay, the plastic is molded around the keychain. I'm definitely having a feeling it might take me longer to get this out of the packaging than it will to get into the lock. We'll see though. Alright, so here's the lock. Cylinder's just on the left side. It's got kind of like a double rotating locking mechanism there. So if it does have anything on this side, like it does have a cutout for a pawl on this side, but I doubt it actually is double locked. But I'm not sure if that's actually shimmable or not. I wouldn't think so. It's kind of a neat mechanism. Has to be in the unlocked position for you to put the shackle back in. Alright, so thank you Sas Pes for sending me this lock. I really appreciate it, bud. So let's see how I can get into it. It's got a Yale-ish style keyway. And when I say ish, I mean it's kind of like a Yale keyway, but it's not exactly the same. There's our key bitting, so pretty radical. And I'll show it to you again in focus. There we go. Caught that out of the corner of my eye that it wasn't in focus. So let's won't be able to fit that pick in there. Let's try this guy. Yeah, it should be able to fit that one in there just fine. 50 thou, 50 thou, 40 thou. Okay, it's too big for my 40 thousandths pry bar, so I'll go to the next size down. There we go. And let's give it a shot. Click from 1, click from 2, click from 3, click from 5. And there we go. I think that may have opened us. Okay, it kicked over pretty hard, like almost like a false set, but actually I thought I kicked over further than I thought it would, so that isn't picked. So I might have either a T-pin or some spools in here. Yep, that's counter rotation. That caught me off guard because that's a deep counter rotation. Damn. Definitely some security pins going on in here. Maybe. Not 100% sure what's happening inside of here. This lock's making me think twice. Whatever's going on, I've not been able to get back to that super crazy deep false set. There, I'm back to that crazy deep false set now. Okay, so that was a click, and I did lose my false set. And I've lost everything. Wow. Okay, back to my false set. Yeah, 4 is my magic pick, or magic pin. That's kind of what I've been thinking it was. But I've not been able to find good purchase on it. Ah, there we go. Whew. Man, I needed a really deep hook to get up in there to set 4. All right. So let's go ahead and see if we can't gut it, which I doubt it, because from my earlier glance in there, it didn't seem like it was a guttable lock. But definitely was able to get it open for you. So let's take another quick look down inside. See if there's a possible way that this can be gutted. And yeah, there is, but I'm not going to do it for you. A reason why. You see the rings right there showing up in the shadows. Well, this last ring right here, that's core retention ring. That holds the core in. And I don't feel like drilling that out to gut this for you. So that's what we got on this Stock Lock Sunday, sponsored by Sas Pes and this Titan lock. So Sas Pes, thank you very much. Everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, if you see a lock out there in the wild and you don't have the keys for it, don't stick a pick in it.